What's up, guys? Tabur TheCarGuy here. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are well. Today, right here at Carbon Bros, where we're gonna be driving out with a very beautiful G80 M3 that was done by them, and you guys are gonna hear it from the passenger POV. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's wait for the car to pull up. Oh my god, that is so loud. So it's got a PPF on it called Ruby Star, which looks absolutely insane. Check this thing from the front, ladies and gents. Looks so menacing, and the color is just amazing. I love the drop, and check the rims as well. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get inside. Yo, it sounds so good. I like the intake. The intake just sounds so good. Yo. Oh my god. This thing pulls, bro. Yo, that's very quick. I just love the intake sound. It's addictive. It's like something that you can never get bored of hearing.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gents, as we are in this G80 M3, it sounds amazing. The intakes are kind of like my favorite part. The color, Ruby Star, you said?
Ruby Star Neo.
Ruby Star Neo. And it looks amazing. Like, it's a car that stands out, and you can hear for yourself the intake sounds. Yeah. It's like a stress reliever. That's what it is. If you get pissed off at work and stuff, something happens, get into your car, just drive with it and just radio off, listen to the intakes. Sounds amazing. But yeah, Carbon Bros, if you were to tell the people what do you do at your shop, what would you say
So
to
it's
them?
everything from an aesthetic perspective. So on your cars, we do PPF, we do wraps, we do body kits, we do carbon fiber kits, we do wheels, we do branding, we do window tints, it's polishing, detailing, anything you can think of from an aesthetic point of view on your cars. That's what we do. We don't really do anything from the mods perspective, but we will help you with anything from an aesthetic side of things.
And you said with the exhaust, what are you running like in terms of exhaust system?
So this exhaust I've got on the G80 currently is from Collab Tuning. They built a custom exhaust for me, like a full exhaust with the downpipes. And then we've got the intakes on the car as well, and then the JB4.
Yeah, it sounds amazing. And you said the intakes again, what are they called?
It's called Mishimoto, that's the brand. They rated as probably the best intakes for the G8X platform and also the loudest.
Okay, thank you. You have it, ladies and gents. You got the information that you need. If you got some aesthetics that you want to put on your car, go ahead to Carbon Bros. They located in Sandton. Sandton.
We've got two stores. So we've got one store in Sandton in Johannesburg. Well, it's more Paulshof, I suppose, than Sandton. In Johannesburg, and then in Cape Town we've got another store as well, based in Goodwood in Cape Town in the northern suburbs. So if you're in either Cape Town or Johannesburg, yeah, we happy to help you.
ladies and gents, obviously as we returned back, we've got obviously the G80 M3, the G82 M4, and yeah, we're just gathering some shots. So check out my Instagram. Me and Carbon Bros are gonna be collaborating on the post, so check them out. Some really cool shots, and yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Just a short drive with Carbon Bros, and I think I'm gonna show you something that happened as I was trying to take a picture of this, and yeah, it was quite insane. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll check you guys on the next one.